Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tommy and thank you so much for watching this video. In this video I'm going to be telling you the importance of something that you might have come across but you're not so sure about, and this is the hibiscus leaves. So I want to be talking about the importance of hibiscus leaves. You might have seen it and you're like, what does it do? What does it really look like? Is that purple? Like, I don't even know how to explain it, but you can see what it looks like, right? This is popularly called zobo in Africa, where I come from. A lot of people know it as zobo. When you go to the market and just say you want zobo leaves, this is what they give to you. And it has so many great benefits, which I've also gotten. I am stuck. This is something that in Africa a lot of people drink. It can be drunk hot or cold. So if you want to just get the flavor, you just simply pour water, either cold water or hot water, but most times a lot of people use hot water. So you will even boil it over the fire to get and steep the real flavor from the leaves. When you get that, you set this aside. Some people add sugar, some people add some kind of other flavors, pineapples, ginger. But for the sake of this video, for the kind of health benefits that it gives, I'll tell you that you can just take it like that. The taste is this kind of like sour taste. You can be drunk like that sincerely without you adding sugar, because we know that we're all trying to run away from sugar as much as possible. So you adding sugar again might kind of not give you the total full benefits or the health benefits that you desire. But if you drink it just the way it is, then you can be sure of getting what it's supposed to give to your body. What does the hibiscus leaves do? It helps to suppress weight loss, or sincerely, yes, it helps with weight loss a great deal. So if you're trying to shed weight or you're trying to get some fat away from your body, drinking this regularly will help you a great deal with weight loss. Like I said, I'm mentioning the health benefits, so for the sake of this video, we're not going to be adding sugar or anything, which people normally add. But you can add like ginger or some other kind of like spices, which some people add to just make it a bit more tastier. But please don't add sugar. Another thing it does for you is to help suppress or eliminate high blood pressure. For those that have been diagnosed with having high blood pressure, taking these hibiscus leaves helps to reduce high blood pressure. It also has a lot of components in it that is going to help to boost your immune system. And another thing that this does for you is to help you with cold, with cough, with flu. So if you are suffering from any of those symptoms, cough, cold in any form, taking the hibiscus leaves drink, not just chewing it. Sorry, please, you can't chew it, you can't eat it, it's a drink. So that's why I said you have to add either cold or hot water to it. So it's the drink you have to get, just extract it and you get your drink, and with that it helps to take care of these things I've mentioned and many more things. It boosts the immune system, it guides against cough, cold, it helps with cough, cold and many other things, high blood pressure, weight loss and many other health benefits. Like I said, it's popularly called zobo leaves in Africa. So even if you live outside the country and you come across it in like shops or anywhere, they sell it in many stores, like all these African stores. You just see the stack like that, the way it looks. Just tell them you want the leaves or the zobo leaves and this is what they will give to you. Be sure this is what they give to you. Then you take it home, you boil it or you pour some hot water over it to get the drink. Don't add sugar, don't add any other kind of like sweetener or flavor to it that would tend to add more fat or extra things to your body. You can add ginger if you wish, and I'm very sure it's going to be tasty that way. So this is my tip for you today in case you're looking for how to shed weight. Come on, this works for you. It has worked for a lot of people and it will work for you too. If you enjoyed my video, please don't just keep this to yourself alone. Kindly pass it along. Share with your family, with your friends, with your acquaintances, everybody you know. People will generally benefit from this and I am sure they will love it when you share it with them. Another thing you have to do, don't just go, please subscribe to this channel. Also click on the notification bell because more videos like this will come your way. Don't go anywhere. I hope to see you next time. Have a lovely day. Bye.